Alright, you guys, welcome back. It's been a minute, but I've been getting a bunch of questions on a build rundown and why I stopped posting. I stopped posting because I really want to finish the bike before I go hit any more digs. But we got a nasty storm that's going to last about 4 days. So hopefully I'll have a belt by then, because about 3 days ago I got about 5 pounds of boost and I shredded my belt. I gotta pull the secondary off now to get the pieces out. But as you can tell, the bike looks a little different now. So I believe this is the first 2021 with the 2023 headlights. These are actually a 2024. I already messed them up a little, but hey, nobody's gonna notice that. So how did I get it to fit? It slips right on. Only reason it didn't slip right on for me is because I still gotta sand it down. I just did a quick cut on the bottom so I can fit my turbo. That's legit all I had to cut. But if you ever want to do the 2023 front end swap on your 2022 and under, it should just fit. But one thing I'm gonna say is you are not gonna find a front end the same price I got mine for. I got mine for $73. I've been told these things can run from $150 to $300, and then the headlights themselves, that's why you see my wires hanging. The headlights themselves are $400. So I'm gonna just go ahead and buy the RJWC ones, which I honestly forgot what they named the company now. I'm gonna just still call it RJWC until I remember. But now for the part I've been waiting for. What's done to this thing? How much money do I have in it? What did I do to get this thing at my age? So we're gonna start with how long it took me to build it. It took me about 2 months. I've only had this thing for what, I think like 3 months now. The Maverick's gone. There's no Maverick in sight anymore. We sold it. But I took the motor and transmission out of it and threw it in here. So this is pretty much a 1000 motor from 2013 with the Maverick heads. Don't mind that. I got my pressure washer too close to my heat wrap and ripped it. But I'm on stock clutching. All I have is a spring, which is insane because I've been getting a lot of DMs about what clutching do I have. I do have STMs on the way. Should be soon. I don't know when. But it's just Maverick motor, E85, Hellcat fuel pump. Look, this thing is dirty. It's just been chilling and under the Trailblazer. But I got a Hellcat fuel pump. Nasty. I have a boost gauge, AFR gauge. That's really it. Oh, we got 1000cc or no 1050 injectors. We have forgot what map sensor this is, but this is a higher end map sensor. Got that. That don't matter. Just motor work. I'm bone stock. I'm bone stock making triple digits with small things to the motor. Nothing crazy, like no big bore, no piston, no rod, no nothing. This is a 54 millimeter turbo, which is giant. I wish I didn't put this on. I put this on yesterday. I could have seen the turbo, but you know, it's already on. So we are on a 12-pound wastegate spring. So I'm making more than 150 to the tires. I'll tell you that. I can't plant down all the power just because my clutching, I'm gonna start clutching, and it can't hold my power. I'll just hit limiter. That's why when I'm on the water, I'm banging limiter for a few seconds. But that's pretty much it. I stopped posting because I'm actually been working on my truck. I get my permit next year, and don't mind that. I got tires on the way. I've been doing rock lights on it. I don't know if it's gonna show up too good on here, but one rock light is not. Yeah, they don't show up that well on the camera during the day either. I've been focused on life, really. I mean, YouTube is a dream job anybody could ask for, and that's what I'm trying to go for, but reality's been hitting me. It's time for me to just settle, you know. But hopefully next weekend we'll be having a new video on this thing of me in a new hole. I found a new hole, bro. That thing is deep, about way past my fenders. It's like this weird little creek spot I found. Throw you on a quick montage. I really do appreciate y'all for 750, almost, yeah, 752 subscribers, almost at 800. As soon as we hit 800, and as soon as we get to 1,000, that'll be a different level. But also on 30,000, as soon as I hit 30,000 on TikTok, I'll be giving away a set of rock lights for y'all. It'll be for your four-wheeler, your dirt bike, maybe your truck, I don't know, but I'll mainly do four-wheelers, side-by-sides, and dirt bikes. You'll win a full set, however many. It could be from 2, 4, 8, or maybe even a 12. But as soon as I hit 30K, I will pick the giveaway winner, and I'll send it out to y'all, get your info, blah, and then get it shipped out to y'all. A quick startup real quick. Don't worry about the belt. The belt is This primary is so loud and I hate it.
Whatever's meant for